2006 Margaret Brent Award recipient, the Honorable Betty Roberts. Justice Roberts' career symbolizes what one person can accomplish through the power of dedication and determination. Her life of accomplishment and prominence began humbly and with great difficulty in the grueling years of the Great Depression. At times, Justice Roberts' mother managed to support her disabled husband and their children by taking in washing. The strength of her mother in the face of such adversity inspired Justice Roberts to succeed by working hard to reach her goals. After graduating from college in 1958, she taught high school, earned a master's degree, and began her law studies, while simultaneously raising her 4 children as a single mother. Drawn to public service, in 1964 she was elected to the Oregon House of Representatives. Her achievements in that office propelled her to election in 1968 to the Oregon State Senate, a victory made even more important by the fact that she was the only woman elected to serve in the Senate. With Justice Roberts' election leading the way, over the next few years, more women were elected to the Oregon legislature. Given her importance as a legislator, she was chosen to chair a bipartisan women's caucus, which succeeded in passing legislation that significantly enhanced the rights of Oregon women. As an outspoken and courageous legislator in the 1960s and 70s, she eloquently took strong and principled stands on vital educational, environmental, consumer, and women's issues. Though she narrowly lost races for governor and U.S. senator, so historically important were her campaigns that in 1975, the Oregon Women's Political Caucus honored her as the Woman of the Year for establishing the precedent for other women to seriously seek statewide office. So universally respected throughout Oregon by members of both political parties, in 1977, the Democratic governor appointed her to the Oregon Court of Appeals as the first woman to serve on that court. And in 1982, the Republican governor appointed her to be the first woman to serve on the Oregon Supreme Court. Her steadfast support of other women lawyers ensured that others would follow her pioneering lead. 2 other women have since served on the Oregon Supreme Court, and 3 women currently serve on the Oregon Court of Appeals. U.S. Circuit Court Judge Susan Graber praises Justice Roberts for her key role in the substantial increase of women serving on the bench in Oregon. Serving with distinction in both the Court of Appeals and State Supreme Court, Justice Roberts' place in Oregon legal history is firmly secure, along with the respect she has earned from her peers on the bench, members of the bar, and the public she's so ably served. After taking senior judge status, she was a founder of the Women's Investment Network, a political action committee to recruit and support women to run for the legislature, and she was a founder of Oregon Women Lawyers, her highly successful mediation and arbitration work. Justice Roberts is the recipient of numerous awards, including the Oregon State Bar Association's Award of Merit and the Oregon Women Lawyers Betty Roberts Award, created in her honor to recognize lawyers who promote women in our profession. It is with great pleasure that the ABA Commission on Women in the Profession is proud to present the 2006 Margaret Brent Women Lawyers of Achievement Award to the Honorable Betty Roberts.